Current project here is a sausage grinder, a meat grinder. It's a product of Rival, probably from the 1950s, I'm guessing early to middle 50s, and it doesn't say Rival on it anyplace, but it does say Grind-O-Mat, registered trademark there. I think it was a mark of Rival. What I've done is I've removed the hand crank and replaced it with a pulley. So the only thing you don't want to do is don't stick your fingers down there or let your hair or clothing or jewelry get down in there, because it'll grind you up. So let's give it a little run here. It's being powered today by Stuart models, steam engine number 9. So here we go. Well, if we had some pork, we could and pork sausage for supper.